Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. May 29, Monday, our market closes higher today, up 62.96 points or up 0.96% to close at 6,593.16. Value turnover is at 3.14 billion pesos. Sluggish volume. So manipis. No? So panay MOC orders market on close which lifted our market higher. Other than that, it's a slow day. No? So I hope you were able to get out alive sa Petron if you're trading this. No? So tayo mismo, wala. No? It looks like a Burj Khalifa. No? So it was really designed to be a pump and dump. No? So it was yung inakyat niya for the past 5 days, binura lang. No? It's down 13 points. No? So anyway, I've seen some stocks na ganito rin, no? Pump as high as possible tapos distribute the shares. No? Yun nga, I don't have this. No? So nothing to worry. Sabi ko nga, there are a lot of companies in the PSE. No? So I'm at that point na minimize loss, maximize gains. No? So MPI also announced today na with regards to their tender offer, it's all or nothing. No? For them to delist, they need to get 95% of all outstanding shares. No? It's something na very troublesome. No? So aside from the shares they own, kailangan nila makuha at least all 95% of all outstanding shares, which means they need to spend a lot of money, no? Because the public float is around 36%. So what price are the minority shareholders willing to let go? No? That's the issue. Of course, the book value is close to 7 pesos. But if you're the buyer, will you spend that much? No? For every 1 peso change in MPI's price, ang laki ng that's several billions in equivalent. No? So it is also this reason I need to sell my positions. We bought that 350, 360. During that time, it's a low risk, high reward time. No? So I don't care if this they change their price to 5 pesos, 550, or even 6. Of course, I will regret if MPI decides to tender at 7. No? But at that point, if you're the buyer, will you spend that much to tender? For the past 10 years, MPI has been trading sluggishly, talagang undervalued. No? So when we acquired that early January, we're anticipating of a tender offer. No? So true, there's a tender offer that happened. Lumabas na tayo. No? Hindi ko na antayin yan because the tender offer process takes at least 20 business days. No? That's at least a month. No? Kung 5 pesos yung tender, at the current price, you only have around upside of 10%. No? So I can easily trade that, no? Or win that in other stocks. No? So medyo alanganin ako. Of course, they can also cancel the tender offer process. No? So kailangan i-balance. No? So if you're buying MPI right now, you're anticipating or you're hoping that the tender offer price will be much higher. Of course, the seller, no? Which includes me, no? Thinks the tender offer will be canceled or at least there will be not much upside. No? So it really depends. No? So bahala na. No? ICT Converge, Semirara, URC and BPI close higher today. No? So Converge has been trading on a downward bias. Even SGP, new low. No? So of course, we're monitoring the market cap of Converge. So it looks like Nickel Asia has a bigger market cap right now than Converge. No? Monday closed lower today. UBP, ASEN, MPI, and Wilcon. Of course, there will be some MSCI rebalancing May 31. No? So expect volume to balloon. Si AC nga, it's a chance to sell when on the closing days of May 31. No? So MOC orders, MSCI basket orders will push AC higher. Of course, if you bought this around 600, 605, the time na we accumulated this, it's time to sell na. No? So 15% in this kind of market, aayaw pa ba kayo? People keep on complaining, no? When go up, panay ganun. I agree with you that blah 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 is undervalued, but diba? So you just copy trade lang, bibigyan ko na kayo trading idea, rereklamo pa, no? Tapos pag nahulog, why go down, diba? People keep on asking, that's why we don't answer questions na. No? PRIM, no, also announced that the partnership between ABS-CBN is only focused on radio content creation and not for the free TV broadcast. This catapulted PRIM to close higher today, up 1450. But coming from a low base kasi si PRIM, eh. Of course, this is a bad news for ABS-CBN, no? So, ABS-CBN close to 7 pesos. No? We were able to get out alive in ABS-CBN. No? So, the partnership doesn't involve the free TV. Of course, yun yung inaantay natin, no? Pagbabalik ni ABS-CBN sa free TV. Of course, they lost their franchise. And right now, they're busy with content creation. So, let's see if this partnership will lead to a bigger collaboration, no? A landmark deal. No? Of course, Double Dragon, no, announced their subsidiary, yung Hotel 101, has partnered with a mattress provider for all Hotel 101 projects. Of course, if you have nothing to disclose na, even yung mga ganitong bagay, di-disclose mo na lang, no? So, I remember one listed company before, no, they also declared, or at least they announced that they have a tree planting session behind their office building. No? So, it's a slow day. So, lahat na lang napapansin. No? Even tree planting na walang kakwenta-kwenta, they even managed to disclose that. Their point is really they're venturing into ESG, environment, social governance. No? Para lang may tree planting activity sila. Sayang yung spare office nila, they disclose. Kasi Hotel 101 naman sa subsidiary, they need to disclose their mattress provider. No? Yikes. No? So we're still waiting for them to raise funds. I think Hotel 101 will be raising close to $100 million, no? Overseas funds. The MCI order book is also up 20% quarter on quarter in the first quarter. This is because of the awarding of the South Commuter Railway project, no, which is a joint venture with Ashona Construction Philippines. So FYI lang. No? Petron. No? C Plus, no? It's also a buy on pullback, no? So hirap talaga makabili. I'm waiting for it to pull back, but it's a sign of strength, no? So good closing. So they posted a net income of around 436.8 million the first quarter, which is a turnaround from the net loss incurred the first quarter of 2022. This is because of the top line growth from the retail games business. So I tried downloading their Bingo app also in Play Store. So they have several games there, no? So the recent earnings outperformance brought Plus a share price to the highest since 2019. So Plus targets to open more physical sites in different areas, especially in the province region. So there's also looking into additional game offering and game machines and acquisitions, at least to support the growing operations. SGP, lag. Anyway, good luck to Game 7 tomorrow, Miami and Boston Celtics. It's a replay of last year's semifinals. No? So Boston won that game last year, and let's see if Jimmy Butler can bounce back on Game 7 after taunting. No? PLDT maintained its Baa2 rating with a stable outlook from Moody's investors even after that budget overrun. No? So this is a sign of relief for PLDT. No? So kahit paano, stable outlook. Then it's better than downgrade. No? So after that mess, last December, I'm waiting for a downgrade for PLDT, at least so I could accumulate a PLDT at a much lower price pero stable outlook. Okay, di ba? So FPH completed its acquisition of Medical Services of America as they add to new service offerings. No? So UBP also partnered with PDAX at least to provide a solution through crypto as a service. No? So UBP is one of those trailblazer in terms of sila rin nauna sa digital bank. So PDAX is also owned by Michelle Gaba. NGCP, new low. So anyway, our passcode for today, no, is Jimmy Butler. No, of course, all eyes on Jimmy Butler. Let's see if he can bounce back tomorrow. Of course, no, why a stock is going down? Because yun nga, no, that's market forces, no? Hindi porket may good news, it keeps on going up, no? So that's the answer there. Of course, yung mga straight point, why this go up, why this go down, no? We don't answer those questions, no? WM, Nympha Chen, Jocelyn Alcover, Rudy Salvatierra, Abanilla Emerson, Yong Poshax, Francis, Oliver Wendelgo, Ilo D, no? H, no? Gaming Central, Blueberry, Jason Chan, Jack Kawilan, ERC, and JD, and Jennifer and Ray Toledo. Thank you very much. Bye.